Hi everyone. Well, we achieved the North Cape today. I'm here with Dave, and we flew from Outer up to the North Cape and back to Outer, and then we've gone from one extreme to the other. As we were coming back into Outer, we had to hold out on the base leg because there was a 737 taking off, and then when we were getting ready to take off again, I was sitting at holding point Echo as there was a 737 lining up ready to take off, which was pretty surreal. But we're here now at a bit more of a basic airport. We've got a fire going, keep the mozzies away. Let's take you over and have a look at the airstrip. So, here's the airstrip we've landed at. I mean, the ground is just shaly sort of stone. It's pretty rutted up, as you can see, and they go all the way down the runway. So what we did, we flew up the runway and checked it out to see which was the smoothest bit, and the smoothest bit really is just ahead from what we could see. But then turn around and come back the other way and check the ground speed to see which way were the slowest, and coming towards me was the slowest. So we swung it round again and lined up and slowed it down as much as we could, and we dropped it in and all was well. It weren't too bad, but you can see there's been a lot of kids riding around on motorbikes and 4x4s screwing about and all sorts, so bit of a dodgy place. But yeah, a bit of a contrast from Outer. And here's our camp. So when we were setting up, we'd just got set up and we'd just got the stoves out, we were making a cup of coffee, and this guy came and he stopped with us, and he was a Sami reindeer herder. And he stopped with us and he were having a bit of a chat with us and telling about his life. And I'm going to show the video now, and it's completely unedited. So I'm just going to run it as it was, and hope you enjoy it.
Without it,
No,
do
no,
you
no.
really?
We don't have so summertime, it's not so long.
No.
And I feel from the weather we are going on.
And when is it where it's dark all day?
It's in December.
December.
Yeah. In
And
December.
how long's that for?
In December we only have a few hours daylight.
Yeah.
2-3 hours daylight.
But the sun doesn't actually get up; it just sort of.
No. We don't have sun.
No.
From early November until late January.
Right.
We don't have sun here. It's really dark.
Yeah.
And those people who are not from this area, they have really big problems with that in the morning.
Yeah.
Because they aren't growing up here.
Yeah.
So they really know how to act here. It's always with the same with the mosquitoes in the winter time. Reach up to -40 degrees. Yeah, that's not so much.
Yeah. And you're wearing all your clothes are modern, I take it now.
Well, of course, we have Gore-Tex clothes now.
Yes.
But I almost all the winter time I wear my clothes that my mother has made for me.
Right.
It's from the reindeer skin.
Yeah.
And also the shoes are from the reindeer skin.
Yeah.
So that's the warmest clothes I have.
Yeah. Really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we don't really freeze here.
No. And what about other animals? What else do you get around here?
We have moose here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we're flying across this country,
Yeah.
and yet we've not. I see a couple of moose
Yeah.
in Sweden a couple of days ago.
No. And for a month ago we had a brown bear here.
Yeah.
Up on this hill.
Okay.
Yeah. And of course we have foxes.
Yeah. Wolves.
No, not wolves.
No wolves.
No wolves. Lucky for that.
You don't want wolves.
But those kind of predators who kills mostly reindeer. Which kind of predator do you think
Yeah. Moose.
No.
No.
No, it's the English name. I'm talking about this all the time. I visit this. Lynx are also killing many reindeer.
Okay, you get lynx around here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a kind of small animal, looks like a bear, walks like alligator. I don't remember the English name now.
That be them.
Wolverine.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because the wolverine are so strong, has a
Yeah.
strong bit.
Yeah.
And eagles, they are also killing many.
Yeah.
But now we have bird influence here.
Yes.
Many of the birds are dying. Have you seen at the house? Thousands of the white birds are dying.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Influence. Yes,
Bird
they're
flu.
getting sick.
Okay.
Even here, I have seen so many dead birds.
Oh.
And normally, used to be many more birds around here.
Yeah.
Browns, the blackbird.
Okay.
Yeah. But we don't see so many of them because they are getting sick.
Really? Bird flu.
Yeah.
Influenza.
Yeah,
is it?
yeah.
Oh, interesting. So you don't think we're going to see any wolverines coming around our tents tonight?
No, they're not coming. Maybe some hookers. No, just kidding.
Banging on the tent.
Banging your tent. Yeah. So are you starting early tomorrow?
If the weather allows us, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, if the weather's fine early, we'll be gone early.
Okay.
But sometimes like today, well, last night we didn't think we'd be getting to the Nordkapp today.
Okay.
And when we got up this morning, looked at the weather, thought, hang on, this is doable.
Yeah.
So we got up and off we went and we done it.
Yeah.
And then we were looking at getting further south than this today, but it didn't really, the weather in that direction, was sort of the cloud was on the ground. So we thought, well, we'll go south, and we spotted this little field, and we thought, well, we'll head.
You didn't know about it?
No, we knew we were coming here,
Yeah.
but we weren't sure what it'd be like,
Yeah.
whether we'd be able to land on it.
Yeah.
So we sort of come down and had a look, and checked it out, and sort of thought, could see a load of ruts up there.
Yeah.
It's not great with these,
No.
you know.
No.
It didn't look too bad.
Yeah.
From here up so far. Now then I come round again and then check the wind direction, or going slower that way than I was that way. So I thought, well, I'll land this way.
So
And I
it's
put
okay.
it down. Yeah, we're all, you know, not the smoothest, but
No.
we got down and we didn't break anything. So,
No. And you're also filming yourself.
Yes,
Yeah. Maybe I take a picture of you.
you can.
What did you tell somebody in Nikama? And you also. Man, det var ett chip detta. And this is my poor kids, they have to work. Yeah.
Making them work.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Something like this.
Yeah, like this. If you go a little bit. Oh yeah, okay, we have to have maybe you have to have all the stickers.
Yeah, get the
stickers.
Get the stickers
No,
in.
some of
They're,
them.
they're all our corporate sponsors that have helped us
Yeah.
with this journey.
It's okay, I put this on Instagram and Facebook a little bit later. Ja se vaihtavat huivaa souteli Miami hommat. Like this.
Fantastic.
Very good.
It's important with pictures. Oh, road tax, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Interesting this thing.
Yeah, good engine.
Yeah. No, Maiton. Vi har puit tänne trimmen.
Joo. Täällä on puitit tallissa.
Bye.
Taakit.
Näin
Täällä on puitit tallissa.
Joo.
Joo.
Täällä on Englands pohten ja Nordkaps vid den måkiga ikens. Anna mig väl autostråk. Leicester. Yeah.
Oh yeah, everybody knows Leicester, don't they?
Everyone knows Leicester.
Yeah.
They know the boxes. Yeah. Yeah. Boken de man. Karan headquarters school. Do you know what we use this kind of dogs?
Husky?
Huh?
Is it a husky?
No.
No. Malamute?
No.
No. What is it then?
We use this kind of dogs to hunt the moose.
All right.
Yeah.
You need a lot of them to bring a moose down, would you?
Yeah, they are really good hunters.
Yeah.
Of course, they look like a husky, but
Yeah.
husky are much more skinnier.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi. You want to hunt them?
Do you not just shoot the moose?
Yeah, because you have to eat the moose a dog will find.
And bring them.
Stop the moose there. Start with that. And then the moose aren't moving, so you can come closer. Yeah. So they are really good hunters to hunt the moose. Of course, you have to train them.
Right.
Yeah.
And is there a lot of moose?
It's many moose.
Yeah.
But,
And the moose normally near the water.
yeah, water and jägare.
Yeah, like marsh.
Yeah. And with many small woods. They are standing inside there.
Yeah.
And we try over there. And suddenly one moose are jumping out.
Okay.
Yeah. We've been scared.
Yeah. Because the moose can be quite dangerous, can't they?
No.
No?
We were driving looking for the strawberries and suddenly the moose are jumping out. Yeah, that's right. We weren't waiting for that.
Right, not too bad then.
No. They don't attack people.
No.
Not here.
Right.
They are afraid of us. Yeah, we have to start home now.
Okay.
But maybe I'll hear from you in the winter time.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Yeah.
I think we
It
ought
would
to.
be good.
Yeah,
In the marsh is really nice here.
Yeah.
In March, April.
Yeah.
And it's really nice.
Bring the women.
Yeah.
Come for an adventure.
And then you sleep over in my lago and
Yeah. That'd be good.
It does sound good.
Yeah, it
doesn't
does, yeah.
Yeah.
and you
See
have,
it in a different.
and then you have to work a little bit with the reindeers.
Yeah.
And the activities we have is like we don't work for you, you work for us.
Yeah.
Or you have to do things for
Yeah,
yourself.
yeah.
You have to, lasso.
Yeah.
You have to catch your own reindeer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you have to work with that reindeer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent.
And we try to show you how it is to be a Sami.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It isn't so easy.
No, all that.
No,
And,
but it isn't.
Normally, we used to let all the reindeers out as a fence. And if the visitors want to collect the reindeers with the snowmobile outside the fence and try to get them inside the fence with the snowmobile, in the deep snow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes it used to be a little bit.
Very, very funny sometimes.
Yeah, it's really. You can make a blooper video of that.
Yeah. Excellent.
But now we are contact.
Yeah, lovely.
Lovely talking to
Yeah,
you.
yeah, really nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
And
you.
a good trip home.
Thank
Yes,
you.
and you.
And until next time.
Yes.
Yeah, until
Yeah.
next time.
Thank you very
Now we
much.
are looking forward to the in the middle of August, start of the Premier League.
Ah.
Yeah,
You are.
I am. Yeah. Okay, bye bye.
Thank you, bye.
pallu. Lähden lahpan.